Hi, I'm Risa. In this video, we are going to talk about and the. For this lesson, we will first learn with the teacher. Next, we will check the sentence samples. Finally, we have tests. And the are called articles. We use articles before nouns. Let's look at the board. First, we use and when we're talking about any one thing. For example, a banana is yellow. A banana is yellow. That means all bananas. And that means any banana is yellow. Now let's jump over here. If I'm talking about a specific banana, maybe I have a banana. It's specific. It's not any banana. I have to use the. For example, the banana is delicious. The banana is delicious. That means this banana, not another banana. Let's go back to here. We also use and when first talking about something. For example, I saw a dog. I saw a dog. I'm talking about this dog for the first time. So I have to use a. But if I want to talk about this dog again, for the second time, or for the third time, if it's not the first time, you have to use the. For example, the dog was brown. The dog was brown. I can't say a dog was brown because that means all dogs are brown. It's not true, right? Well, and I also use the when it's the one and only. For example, the sun is shining. The sun is shining. As you can see, there is only one sun. That's why we use the with the sun. So you can say the sun. Let's look at more examples. The first example says, an elephant's trunk is long. A trunk is an elephant's nose. An elephant's trunk is long. I have to use an because I'm talking about any one elephant. On the other hand, how about this? The elephant is pink. It means a specific elephant. So you can use the. Let's look more examples. It's a cat. The cat is cute. In number 1, I'm just talking about a cat. In number 2, I'm talking about the same cat again. So I can use the. Next examples. It's a bird. The bird is beautiful. In number 1, I'm just talking about a bird. In number 2, I'm talking about the same bird again. So I can use the Next, let's see how it's used in conversation. Hey Bob, I saw a dog yesterday.
Nice. I love dogs.
The dog was completely white and very beautiful.
I wish I could have seen that dog too.
Hi Opera, I ate a burger yesterday. How was the burger? The burger was really tasty. I want to eat that too. Hello, doctor. I took a medicine.
What is the medicine for?
The medicine is for a cold.
I see.
I watched a TV show last week.
How was the TV show?
The TV show was really exciting.
Tell me about the TV show while we have dinner.
Sure. All right, it's almost time for the test. Are you ready? Number 1, fill in the blank. The answer is, I saw a dog yesterday. The dog was very beautiful. Number 2, fill in the blank. The answer is, I ate a burger yesterday. The burger was very tasty. Number 3, fill in the blank. The answer is, look up the sky. You can see the moon. The last test should have been difficult. Watch this video multiple times and remember the rules for articles. Please share in the comments your difficult grammar topics or the grammar you want to learn with our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you.